I'm coming southbound, she's coming northbound, inside lanes both times. I don't know where we cross.
Okay, you're going south, she's going north.
She's going north, inside lanes on both equal lanes of traffic.
Okay.
An off-duty officer named James found himself on the wrong side of the law after being involved in a vehicle collision while heading southbound, as the other driver was northbound in the inside lane. The officer on scene immediately began assessing the situation and requested James' full cooperation. Under Illinois Vehicle Code 625511-501, it is unlawful for any person to drive or be in actual physical control of any vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. James admitted he had consumed alcohol 2 hours prior and mentioned he had eaten food, including chicken dumplings and a sandwich, around the same time. He claimed to be feeling fine and showed willingness to perform field sobriety tests, including walking a straight line and a 30-second time estimation with his eyes closed. Despite his cooperation and acknowledgement that he and the officer go way back, the investigation moved forward like any other DUI stop.
Okay. All right, how you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
Anything in the car? Do you got a weapon there or anything?
No, off duty.
Okay.
I got not carrying.
Okay.
Service weapons in my holster at home.
Okay. All right, stay here. Okay. All right, man. I'm looking for his honesty. Okay. I know you're in a tough predicament right now. And it's like that. Okay. I'm looking for his honesty and compliance, and that's all I'm asking for. Okay. Okay. When was the last time you drank tonight?
A little bit earlier.
Okay. How long ago was that?
A couple hours, about 2.
2 hours ago. Okay. What were you drinking?
I had about a beer.
Okay. Have you ate it all today?
Yes, I have. Sandwich, ham sandwich.
When was the last time you ate?
About 2.5 hours ago. They had food over there, and they had food, which was also as well a chicken sandwich, as well as chicken dumplings.
Okay. How much did you sleep today?
Roughly today, about 6 hours.
Okay. Okay. Where exactly were you coming from?
Roughly around Greenwood Acres.
Greenwood Acres?
We're off Sycamore Road.
Okay. Where are you heading to? Where was your destination?
Off of Best Avenue.
Okay. So right down there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, listen, man. Listen, I can tell you've been drinking. I'm just being honest with you. I know me and you go way back, but we're here right now, okay? You got that? Okay. All right, listen. How much influence do you feel like now?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
Okay. You still feel like there's alcohol in your system?
No.
100%. No? Okay. All right, James. We have to do a couple things here, right? Okay. All right. Can I check you out?
Go ahead.
Okay. Stand with me. Am I still feeling good? 100%. Okay. All right. Do you have any eye problems, abnormalities?
Other than the knee surgery, ACL reconstruction, 2016.
Okay.
Right knee.
Okay. How can you walk right now?
I can perform the test.
Okay. All right. So anything else in your general health besides the knee surgery 2016? No. Okay. Do you have any contacts in right now?
No.
Can we turn these lights on?
Yeah, we can. Okay. Put your feet together, hands at your sides, okay? Blink 3 times. Take a break. Still feeling good?
Feeling fine.
All right, man. No other just physical problems besides that knee?
Besides the right knee.
Okay. All right, imaginary line right here. Okay. All right, what I want you to do, place your left foot on the line. Okay. Maintain this position until I've completed the instructions. Do not start to walk until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Understood.
Do you understand?
Understood.
Okay. Can you get back in that starting position, please? Do you feel more comfortable with this on the sidewalk, James?
I do.
Okay, let's go on the sidewalk then.
Just feel it all with the cracks.
I get you. I'm giving you a fair shot, okay? Just go back here. We're away from any cracks. You got that thing. Or, James, go back here. It's right here. All right, get back in that starting position. Right foot, head of left foot, okay? Arms at your sides.
Not Dan.
Not yet. Just hang out there. Okay. Go ahead and begin.
1,000 pace.
Just as I instructed you, okay? Okay. You still feeling all right, man? Okay. Go ahead and begin, James.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029.
Go ahead and hang out. You can stop, okay? You know, James, can you tell me where you're at right now?
Right now I'm at 7th and I'm on 7th Street, right at Charter.
Okay. What was the make of the vehicle you were driving?
GMC Sierra 2013 1500.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right. What I want you to do is stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Okay. When I tell you to tilt your head back slightly and close your eyes until you think 30 seconds has passed. Do you understand?
Can you reiterate one more time?
Yep. I'll read it for you again. Okay. Stand with your feet together and place your arms at your sides. Okay.
Okay.
When I tell you to tilt your head back slightly and close your eyes until you think 30 seconds has passed. Okay? Do you understand?
Understood.
Okay. When you think 30 seconds has passed, tilt your head forward, open your eyes, and say stop. Do you understand?
Understood.
And tilt your head back, close your eyes, and wait for me to tell you to start. Okay? Begin. Okay. How much time was that, James?
35.
35? Okay. How'd you reach that time?
In my head counted at a 1/1000 pace.
Okay. Alright. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides, okay? Do not do anything else until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Follow my stimulus, which will be the tip of my pen again, okay? With your eyes and eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Understood.
Just relax. You can come over if he needs to. You can come talk to him. He can talk to him if he needs to.
Rest position.
Yeah, just chill out. Chill a minute. Fire's gonna talk to you, okay?
What you got, big dog?
I got 1055.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, he's went to high school with the music on.
Where is it?
Who is it? James Corleo. Who? James Corleo.
Where does he work?
South side of the city.
Oh. Fuck. Did he blow?
I'm trying to get it for my squad car right now.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's gonna have to provide one either way.
What's it? Oh yeah, I mean that's a force. Yeah, did you hear the thing he made mention that he's an off-duty somebody? No, he is. From where?
It's on the south side.
Either of you guys take this out?
I took him back out of my car.
Where's your
318. It's over there.
Where you guys get your info?
Please pay know who he is.
What?
You killed, of course.
Say they'll get you something.
Huh?
He's not armed.
No, he said he doesn't have a gun on the car, so.
What computer do you have?
I said.
As the process continued, James complied with further sobriety testing and confirmed he wasn't armed. Officers maintained professionalism, stating they weren't looking for favoritism. Under Illinois compiled statutes 625, 511, 501.1, refusal to submit to testing or failing such tests results in statutory summary suspension of driving privileges. James agreed to the breath test and later consented to a blood test when transferred to the medical facility. Officers made it clear that he would be treated like anyone else, reminding him that the law doesn't change based on profession.
All right, James, listen, man. We still got some stuff to work through after this, but are you going to provide a breath sample right now?
Yeah, without a doubt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go and blow now.
Order that. And then, negative 1.
Right, so you don't got a gun on you right now or anything?
I got nothing.
Okay, go check real quick. Okay. All right. I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Okay. You understand me?
Got it.
Is that is one too tight?
Take a seat, James. You're just unlocking a little bit out. Strap right there.
Yeah, I forgot.
No, I got two. In route with the 95 to KCH. Can you let them know I'm coming from this crash? Not sure. If they got a helicopter coming in, they'll ask me. We'll figure it out once we get inside. Can you shut off my dash cam, please? Stepping off this. Can I walk through? Okay.
I know. You gotta do what you gotta do.
I gotta do.
Okay. Well, you gotta read the warning orders. I get it.
Yeah, I got it. Treatment or draw?
I'm submitting.
Consenting, but I gotta. Okay. I'm just gonna do the normal process.
Okay, sounds good.
Can you ask them if they got a room or anything?
Yep.
Dispatch should have called.
Yes, I'm feeling for a sec. Just. I'm not gonna do that. I know how the process goes. I've done it. Like I said earlier, just based on bias, they're dissatisfied. That's all.
I will try.
Where at? What's her name?
I'm done for pretty much already.
I'm not gonna talk about that, James.
I'm not sorry asking it's the criminal aspect, but I'm
Need
done
urine or
with
blood?
the
Just both.
Do both? So we only do blood here.
Blue blood.
We'll do blood. All right, you can come to triage then.
Can I walk through?
Yep, go ahead.
I'm not good. I feel that it's only right, and
This goes 23. Oh, okay.
to keep the integrity in this, obviously I have my wallet, my off-duty badges in there. I need you to,
We going here? Or?
Yeah, we're going here.
Okay.
I need you to contact my department.
That's gonna be James. That's gonna be on you, man.
If you want to find the best spot to have it, you want to be straight.
Can I be on top? I'm not going to be I'm not.
I gotta do everything like normal, James.
Okay, alright. Procedure is procedure. Yeah, go ahead and state the first part. I'm not going to, I will submit the chemical breath testing. That's required.
Alright, subsequent to an arrest for driving while under the influence of alcohol or other drugs or intoxicating compounds or any combination thereof, DUI or sex and Community Protection Act, and you for a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 6 months, or if you're not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 1 year. Do you have a CDL, James? No.
Or school bus driver.
Alright.
Just do what you gotta do. If you guys got something to say that's not gonna go against policy, just let it out now. And I know you do.
You got nothing to say, James?
I'll be in the back lot.
I'm not missing anything.
I don't think so. Let me see. Sorry. We're going here. Okay, just the patient's signature, and then my signature. That's it?
Okay.
Alright. And then you have to open that up. This is your bad, sorry.
No problem.
Got it. Thank you. Actually, alright. A lot of process, sorry.
No problem.
You okay with this arm? We'll take.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. Towards the counter, please. Put these on, please. Back here with me. I'll be with you in a little while, okay? What's up, man? What's going on? Heard you had something or one?
What's going on with the case?
Okay, so right now, so D1 or DUI A2, they had DUI for the injuries, okay, and then 2 other traffic citations.
How extensive are the injuries?
They'd be still in medical care, okay.
But nothing life-threatening.
It's a serious medical injury. That's all I'm gonna say, okay. All right, so this is detainable, okay.
So,
So I'm being straight up. You're gonna be in there till Monday, okay. Listen, you're not a bad guy, okay? Everyone here, no one in here thinks you're a bad guy, okay? I'll call the jail, let them know who you are, and what's going on, okay? But that's where we're at, okay? Anything else, man?
can I have a phone call?
Yeah. Come on. I know, man. Listen, like I said, I'm treating like everybody else. Everybody else, okay?
I don't want to be treated
I know.
any different.
So, like I'm saying, it's this how the statute reads: permanent bodily injury, great bodily harm. Okay, just how the statute reads.
Charges were filed, including 2 counts of DUI and 2 traffic citations, with the added seriousness of medical injuries to the other party. With great bodily harm suspected, the statute made the case detainable, meaning James would remain in custody through the weekend. Despite the emotional toll, James accepted the process, recognizing that even as a police officer, accountability still applies. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.